Alright, well, I decided to, like, chop my Jeep, so... You remember how it had arms right here? Like, it had arms like that on it? Well, I, like, chopped them off, you know? And so now it looks like that. In my case, it looks cooler. See that front wheel? You see it's dang near on its side. That wheel right there. There's the camera level. Check me. I'm getting this wheel, dude. You have to move.
There you go.
There's that one level. You can see that wheel is like all flexed out. And they don't squish sadly, but like whenever you put pressure on them, they'll squish. They squish in the middle whenever it grabs terrain though, which is pretty cool. It's dead right now. I don't know where the charger went.
It's in pieces. Oh yeah, it is blade rope.
Oh yeah, and whenever I was chopping the back off, an X-Acto knife is supposed to look like that, right? Well, you see, whenever it hits the tub really hard, it goes. See that piece of metal still in there? It's really tight in there, actually.
Michael, take that headset off. Okay, it just came out.
Yep, there's the rest of it. It goes in there, and then it used to be attached right there. And you know, that went in right there.
Yeah, let's say it had a hard time cutting, right?
Yep.
Wait, look at Michael. Jay have backup stuff, right?
You ain't gonna let me have them.
If you have
I mean, you can see that tire, you know, it's flexed out on a candle. There's my hand next to it. So that's an inch, so it's about 4 inches. Jack. It's about 4 inches flexed. But like, if I was to put the tire completely up on the candle, then
it would still have flex.
and the rear tire just comes up just barely, enough to barely fit a pencil through.
See, we're doing flex challenge.
I mean, if it had like some actual weight to it, then it would probably, you know, whenever I push down on it, it still got a whole bunch more flex in there.
Thank you.
Yep.
That's it.
You may remember that Ford Expedition that was flexed down on. There's the Expedition now. Parted it out. I made a scrap bin for it, you know. Got the old chassis to it.
Got the old seat for it.
Yep, the old seats. There's one of the seats. The old bumper. The old grill and headlights, you know.
And then old...
Yep, there's the little barricader thing that keeps the
pressure.
the prisoner from, or
And
the,
then,
probably not prisoner, but like the arrested person in, and that would go in the back. And you got all them tools. Got the 2 tools. You got what looks like possibly a bedroll. You know, looks like a whole bunch of different stuff.
and then
Probably like some kind of bug out
there, Dad.
survival kit. You know. Yep. There's the rear that was on it.
And here's the front
There-
bumper.
There's the old lights. I already went over that.